Hey, we're Timothy and Laura Dahl, and we just bought our first home in Los Angeles. We've got a lot of work to do, but it's going to be fun. From small fixes to full-on demolition, we're learning as we go and determined to make every space our own. So this is life as it happens at our house, the Dahl house. Come on in.
Babe, let's tell them about this sweet shed that we built that I'm so proud of.
Well, before we had this, it was just an open space. You could see the filter, the heater, all the gross stuff that was back there.
It was white and dirty. It was, I mean, to explain it, it was literally just a frame.
Right.
With some really old school kind of janky lattice on the side, right? Very dated. So we wanted to be able to do this whole thing on a weekend. So the easiest concept was just replace the old lattice with the kind of newer, more modern concept lattice. But we found as we were shopping that it didn't exist actually. So on the fly, I'm proud that I came up with this concept, which I think was so much better anyway. So it always works out, right?
I think you've always liked the horizontal fence look. It's popular right now. And just a one or two runs to Home Depot, we'd had everything we need to make it.
Well, we need screws. We need screws.
The tools we needed: an impact driver, a miter saw, a sanding block, and a paint sprayer.
The materials we used were 6-inch boards, screws, and paint. I chose black paint because, again, I wanted it to just kind of disappear into the background. White is such a bright color that you just notice it from anywhere you're looking. So black is almost like a shadow. And this is just Behr exterior paint. It was not their highest end because we're going dark over light, and so, you know, it doesn't really matter out here. But I chose a satin finish, and the color is Black Boudoir. I think we could have gone semi-gloss, to be real, but I like the satin. Again, it helps it just kind of disappear. So what are the steps?
First was the cleanup. Nothing had been done back here for a long time, nothing had been cleaned up. We pressure washed it, took a blower, cleaned off the roof, cut back the trees, and got it all down.
Step 2, we removed all of the old lattice.
Step 3 was building out the frame inside, so we had a third center point for the boards. So step 4 was cutting the boards to the right length. And the next step,
5, we sanded and painted them. So you can see the planks are out here. We have our sprayer. We're ready to get going, and Hunter cannot wait. So let's do it.
I want to paint!
Yeah. I'm getting my LA girl on with this fun spray paint. Our pipes are so bright white that you'll be able to see right through and they'll just stand out. So I'm gonna spray them black. Also, even though ours aren't gonna be in the sun, spray painting them can protect them from UV for longer life. So good both ways, and it's fun. And then we were ready to put them up.